Following the Better Business Bureau giving Kylie Cosmetics a low rating, Kylie has fired back to defend her business. Kylie Cosmetics has been successful, at least by the numbers, but not everybody has been happy about their products, and the BBB took notice. The Better Business Bureau gave Kylie Cosmetics an F rating earlier this week due to complaints related to the product itself, the service, and delivery issues. However, after considering the volume of business the company has been racking in, the BBB changed their rating from an F to a C due to the fact that the amount of complaints were not substantial when compared to the level of business. The rating was then changed from a C to a B, but now they have erased the rating completely. Following the F rating, a representative from the BBB told E! that Kylie Cosmetics had reached out to the Bureau to find out how to improve their ratings. The BBB released a statement on Wednesday saying that they are working with Kylie Cosmetics to resolve the issue and that after a review, a new rating will be released. Of course, Kylie caught wind of all the scrutiny her company is facing and released a statement on her website saying, "You guys are the reason I keep going and I'm motivated every day to make Kylie Cosmetics the best it can be. I'm continuing to learn and I just want to make everyone happy. Because so many of you spoke out, I'm excited to tell you that the Better Business Bureau has looked at the facts and changed the rating. I'm sick and tired of people coming for my business. I love everything about Kylie's Cosmetics, and I will do anything in my power to protect and improve it every day and make you guys happy." The statement went on to say, "I don't want to respond to the haters, but you guys deserve an answer and to know the facts. I love you and apologize to anyone who felt the urge to complain and didn't receive their service they deserve." Sounds like Kylie and her team are working hard to resolve the issues, and the BBB is hearing them out, so we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, let me know your thoughts about the whole thing in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and then click right over here to see Selena and Justin Bieber battle it out on Diss Track. Thank you guys so much for watching Clevver News today. I'm your host, Jackie Idenisi, and I will see you guys next time. Click to the left to see Kendall Jenner's style evolution on Dirty Laundry, or you could always click over to the right to check out some exotic fruits on Cheat Day.